Welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. And today we are going to be going to a pool party. It's my aunt's birthday and we're going to be recording it. And you guys like my swimsuit? Comment down below. This is actually a skirt to the swimsuit. I'm wearing the swimsuit right now, but this is a skirt to it. And you wear the skirt when you're not in the pool, and I really like it. But you guys are going to be coming with us. So let's go do it. Yeah!
Hey guys, we're heading to a pool party as Taylor said. So I am very exhausted, very exhausted. I just want to sleep, but I'm also super excited to be going to party. And so right now it's gonna be kind of like
the best party in the world.
Yes, it is.
Because we helped.
Very much
Sorry,
so.
you could talk.
Thank you. So I am about to set up like our picnic because, you know, obviously there's COVID. So the theme is kind of picnic en blanc, kind of like dinner en blanc. If you guys have never seen or been to a dinner en blanc, I'm gonna tag our recent dinner en blanc video somewhere up here or down below, so you can see what dinner en blanc is all about. So I am uncertain of what I want to wear. I may wear this skirt with a top. Maybe I'll kind of show you guys what that looks like. Or this dress. Simple, but you know, sometimes you don't want your tummy to look too big, and this kind of shows that up, so I'm not sure. So I knew it. He left his clothes up before going to work. I think he's just wearing these denims with a white tee, which is easy enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and iron it for him. So this is the aftermath from all the flowers that I made earlier. So I'm about to clean this up, this entire table, and then get our picnic basket packed. Alright guys, we made it out the house. Sorry we didn't come back to show you all the packing and stuff. Hubby came home and it was just go mode, get in the car, let's get out the house. So now we're en route.
I beg you, make you treat me with caution. Leg over. My baby, give me leg over.
At least you're in the shade.
I mean, my bougie on the table.
Hi guys.
Listen, we're gonna take turns. We're gonna be at her house for 2 weeks, we're gonna be at my house for 2 weeks.
My rug is here, guys. All right, let's get this place set up. Thank you. Guys, this is how you do a setup. It's gorgeous, right? I know, I'm patting my own self on the back, but I love it. Hi, baby.
Daddy at the camera stand.
Yeah. Babe has to get the shots for me. It's on portrait. It's not working on portrait.
You know, you wouldn't know. Oh shoot. You wouldn't know because it's so.
This is the birthday girl. Can I record you?
I mean, now you ask for permission. That's new.
Oh, and I gotta. The birthday girl got lobster for
I'm
us?
handing out lobsters. There's some on the
Okay.
grill as well. These are like a curry lobster.
And I'm waiting for my jerk lobster.
Taking a photo of the birthday girl. Travis was pretending smoking.
Oh.
Yes. I'm looking at your setup and I'm taking your video.
Okay.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
What's your name?
Portia.
And Davida? You're beautiful.
Thank you. So are you.
Thanks. Hi, ladies. Say hi. What's your names? Oh, I know you. You look different. Girl. Yes, you are. You ready for a picture? What else is there? The Picnic and Blanc guys. Hello. I'm videoing your table.
Stop it.
It looks nice.
White outfit.
Huh?
Right?
I'm videoing your table. It looks nice.
Stop it now.
Here goes the table. No one's sitting here though. Hello, Kwame. All the kids that are in the. What's up? Party animal. What's up? Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hi, kids. Hi, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I love your fit. You look so
This is so gorgeous.
Okay, put stuff on.
This is so nice, guys.
Thank you.
I'm about to steal a shrimp from my babe real quick. Hello. Is it okay if you're in my video?
She asked for permission now. She's there.
Turn it down, girl. Put me up with a next man. Welcome. 1, 2, 1, 1. Turn it down, girl. Put me up with a next man. Welcome.
Girl, can I have one of those?
Yeah, he's always in shape, man.
So good. I tasted it just now. Taste
You taste it again?
it. No, it was a Coast Gate. Taylor, how's the pool? It's fun. What are you eating? It's so good.
I want the inside.
What you eating, baby?
It's called jalea. What is it, Peruvians? What are they over there?
Peruvian. That looks good. Yeah. I was tearing up this lobster right here, y'all. Hey guys, It's obviously getting dark. We are having such a vibe as we chill here.
Dinner on noir. It's not blanc, it's noir, okay?
You heard her. And it's such a mood, guys, such a mood. Still drinking, still vibing, still enjoying the things, you know? I can't even eat all this food that I have in front of me. Look at this. Allison gave me rice and peas and chicken. That's jerk chicken and rice and peas. I just devoured some lobster. Travis have some halea thing over here. It's Peruvian. Still ain't touched nothing.
That's you're done. You're finished.
Okay.
You do the kitchen, close that area.
Hi guys.
You do a move on
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
Go back to
I'll find out your cake.
Wait, Mom, can I pick it up and blow it? Unless it's your personal cake, then you can blow it. Thank you. Those noises like pocket. All right, thank you. Pass the other cake so we can cut it. Hey, birthday girl.
Why do you have 2 cakes?
Because I'm 40.
She's special like that.
Not because I
We are chilling out. The party's winding down, guys. So we're gonna be going home soon. But we're kind of just sitting, enjoying some chatting with the ladies. But anyways, if we do not come back, just know that this video is ending. So thank you guys for tuning in to Making It with the Matthews. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. We appreciate you being here, and we want to grow our channel. Get us to 500 subscribers, guys. So share. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys for the next video.